Okay, here's a shipping box that I made. It'll double as a case if you want to finish making it a case. I want to show you how to initially set up the guitar. First thing you got to do is remove the pedal, or I mean the legs. Set it off like that so that you can remove this pedal bar. Then what you want to do is set the body back into the case like that. And you want to grab one of these legs with the hole in it for the pedal bar, and you'll notice a number 2 right there. Well, that's a number 1, so you screw this into the number 2 leg socket. Just like that. Grab the number 1 leg, screw it into its leg socket. Then these back legs, these are adjustable, so it doesn't matter which one you put in which end. So screw one of the back legs in, then the other back leg. Just like that. Okay, go ahead and unscrew these wing nuts. Don't lose them. Okay, now holding the pedals on this side, to your right, feed that stud right through that leg like that, and through the other side, just like that. Screw your wing nuts on. Just like that. And that secures the pedal bar. Okay, hopefully you can see what is referred to as a rocker. I'm going to take pedal rod number 1, and with this hook pointing back at you, I'm going to go behind the rocker and slip it through that hole in the rocker and just lay it upwards like that. And then I'll take rod number 2 and I'll put it in the next rocker over, and I'll put it up just like that and lean it up there. I'm going to hook this, I'm going to pull that spring back on that puppy, and I'm going to let it connect to that gooseneck ball of this joint there. Hook both pedals up. Now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to unfold the knee lever like that. I'll put one hand here, one hand there, and I'm going to lift it up, slip it down to the floor. So here's what you need to do. You need to loosen that set screw, let this drop down on the floor, and adjust the pinch screw, and makes it solid guitar then. Makes the guitar stable when all four legs are on the ground. Okay, this is a pull release guitar. So the tuning procedure is a little bit different than an all pull guitar. Let's tune the knee lever first, the E's. And what I want to do is I want to tune strings 2 and string 6 with the knee lever engaged. So you want that to be tuned at a D sharp with the tuner. See if I get it. Okay, and then, okay. Now I'm holding in the knee lever, and I've tuned both those strings to D sharp. Now, what I do is let off the knee lever, and I check my E note. If the E note is right on, you don't have to mess with the black tuner down there. Now let's check the number 6 string. Okay, it's on. Now if that E was off, you would take your 7/32 socket tool, and with the knee lever disengaged, you would tune each one of those to where your E's was at 440 or in the center like that. Okay, that's what you do to tune the E strings. Now the A pedal, it moves the 3rd string. Now that is a pull, that's not a, that's raising the pitch, that's not lowering the pitch. So you tune those a little bit differently. Here's how you tune those. I would take string 3, and it should be a B note. If not, tune it up to a B note. Now you push on pedal A, and it should be a C sharp. If not, you find the one that's going in, that's your A pedal, or pedal number 1, and you tune that up to a C sharp, just like that. Let me bring that. And that's the A pedal. That's the only string you have to worry about. So what you do is you tune it open with a tuner, you step down on the pedal, and you tune the raise with the nylon nut that's moving. Now, on the B pedal, that raises string 1 and 4. So now I'm going to check that string 1, make sure it's at G sharp, and I'm going to do string 4, a little bit sharp. Now that's going to raise with the B pedal to an A, just like that. I'll check string 4. And that's right on. Now if that wasn't on, you would find the 2 tuners that are moving and adjust either one to make it an A, from a G sharp to an A, and that's all there is to tuning this guitar. Okay, what I'm doing there is I'm doing a spread voicing. I'm picking strings 1, 3, and 6. With my pedals down at the 8th fret, I play that twice. And then I go down here to the 6th fret and play it once, but I go like that. I just play it once at the 6th with the pedals down, move it up 2 frets and then back, and then let the pedals off. So that much is okay. The next move is I'm playing strings 2 and 3 at the 6th fret, and then 3 and 4 at the same fret with no pedals. So and there's that much. The next move is with the pedals down. I'm playing another grip, and it's strings 3, 4, and 6 with no pedals. I'm sorry, no pedals. And I move down 3 frets, or I place, fret 8 with no pedals, and I go to 7 and then 6. And I play once like that and hit those three frets. And then I come back up here to the 8th fret and I hit just strings 4 and 6. So that is, so now that much is that much. Now I go back to the fret, the grip of 3, 4, and 6, and I go, I play once, and then I engage the A pedal. So that much is and then the next thing, while the pedal's down, I come up here and I can hit 2, 3, 4, and with the A pedal go with it down and then let it up. So that much is this. Okay, after that, I want you to have your A and B pedals down, get on the 3rd fret, A and B pedals down, and I want you to play strings 2, 3, and 4, but I only want your bar over 3 and 4. In other words, that string has got to ring out and open E note. And I want you to play that combination. Actually, play it just like this. What I'm doing is I'm plucking, I'm sliding down to the first fret and releasing the A pedal. That's a weird sound, but that's what it's supposed to be. So here's what we got. Got a lot of homework to do, but this is a lick that's worth learning. Okay, after that, I want you to slide your bar up onto the second string with no pedals and play the 3 strings. So let the pedals up and then hit that. You can either let it ring if you got enough sustain going, or you can pick that last chord. I'd rather you pick it. Okay, so here's what we got to that point. Okay, after that, I want you to put the pedals down, and you're on the first fret, and I want you to play strings 1, 2, and 3. And I want you to play it again at the 3rd fret, and then down at the 1st fret, and let up. So that's that final phrase. 1, 2, and 3, pedals down. At 3 with pedals down. 1 with pedals down, pedals up. So here's the whole lick.